All right, fifth grade, welcome to our third math lesson, even though this is our fourth math video of the week. This one's going to go along with worksheet 4.5 homework, and this is just going to be more multiplication practice. So pull out your worksheet that says at the top 4.5 homework, and let's jump into a couple examples together. All right, so today I'm going to be just using two-step multiplication. If you want to use the box method, you can certainly do that. Review the last video for that. But we're going to get into a new idea, which is 3-digit by 1-digit. So let's take a look at our first example. We got 397 multiplied by 9. When I do the two-step multiplication, 3-digit by 1-digit, I start down here with this 9, and I go 9 times 7. And remember, try not to look at your multiplication chart. If you have to, that's okay, but try to not look at your multiplication chart. 9 times 7, what's that going to get you? Well, that's going to get you 63. So let's write down our 3 down at the bottom, and then I don't write the 6 down here. Why? Well, because there's a 9 up here, so I have to join it together. All right, so now I've got 9 times 9. Well, what is 9 times 9? Very good. That's going to get you 81. But I need to add the 6 because the 6 is being carried over from my first problem. So what's 81 plus 6? You're kind of doing this in your head, right? That's 87. I write down the 7, but I can't write down the 8 right here because there's a 3 right above it. So I have to carry it. I erase it. Now I do 9 times 3. 9 times 3 is 27. And I add the 8. You might have to do this over to the side if you're having trouble visualizing it. 27 plus 8. Well, 7 plus 8 gets me 15. Carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, so 35. Is there anywhere to carry the 3 over here? No, there's nothing there, so it falls down and just goes down here. And I can put my comma after 3 digits. So 397 times 9 gets me 3,573. All right, let's do another example. This time let's do a 2-digit by 2-digit. So if I have 66 times 86. Now, right away, you might be thrown off and you might say, Mr. Ivan, I thought the bigger numbers always have to go on top. Not always, because in multiplication, order doesn't matter. For addition and multiplication, it doesn't matter what order I have my numbers in. We just typically put the bigger number first. For division and subtraction, order does matter, and I do need to have the bigger number first for subtraction and division until you get to 7th grade, but you've got a couple years till you have to worry about that. All right, let's go through this multiplication. I do 6 times 6. Well, that's easy to remember. I'm a monkey, I do tricks. 6 times 6 is 36. Write down the 6, carry the 3. 6 times 6 is what? 36. Add the 3, I get 39. There's no way to carry the 3 up here, so I write it down. I like to change colors at this point. And I'm going to get rid of this 6 because I've already multiplied it out. I'm going to get rid of this 3 because I've already added it to my answer. And now that I moved over here to the 8, I'm one place over. So I need to put a placeholder here, which we usually put a 0. 8 times 6. What do you get when you do 8 times 6? you get 48. So you write the 8 down here. Carry the 4. Do you see why I crossed out the 3? So I don't get confused and try to add the 3. 8 times 6. Again, you already know that's 48. Plus 4 gets me 52. Again, write it out if you're having trouble seeing it. 48 plus 4. 8 plus 4 gets me 12. Carry the 1. 1 and 4 is 5. 52. There's no way to carry the 5, so I write it over here. And now, a lot of us get confused and think 5,280 is my answer, but it's really not. I have one more step, which is adding my two products together. 6 and 0 is 6. 9 and 8 is 17. Carry the 1. 1 and 3 and 2 is 6. Nothing and 5 is 5. So you see, really my answer is 5,676. All right, guys, you're going to be doing a lot of plugging and chugging today. That means just putting it to practice over and over again so you memorize it on 4.5 homework.